It's a super easy and healthy dish that you guys are gonna enjoy. You guys are gonna thank me later. Quick and I guess you could say healthy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to share this easy, healthy dish that I found 2 years ago online. It includes zucchini noodles and shrimp and a bunch of other vegetables. I'm gonna make the zucchini noodles, nothing from the frozen aisle. You can make it for your boyfriend, husband, significant other, for your suegra, for your cuñadas, for your tias, for your grandma, for your grandpa, your friends, co-workers, you name it. Don't be shy, come. Let's make it. Don't be shy, come. I said don't be shy. My little helper, Bruno. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the shrimp. I already washed it, and I'm just gonna add some seasoning, which is some salt.
Don't put it. Don't put it.
Please.
Please.
Okay. And then what's next, Bruno? Garlic?
Garlic.
Garlic.
Don't put it.
Okay, okay. Shake it, shake. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, I'm gonna put this one, okay? Okay, so no vale tantie. I don't really go by measurements. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna start by adding oil, and I had already turned on the pan to medium. Wait. So you can see it's already turning pink. While this is cooking, let's start doing the zucchini noodles. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the ends. I got this at Walmart. I don't really know what's the name of it, but I'm pretty sure if you go get where you get the spoons and all that stuff.
Your guys' eyes is like white.
What do you mean?
Is it because of the flash or something?
For this one, there's like 2 sides. I guess this is not the right way. If you're trying to do that
I
one.
want to eat this.
No.
I want to eat
So
it.
it's this way.
I want to eat
Así
it.
salen the zucchini noodles. So 4 zucchinis later, we have this.
Yeah.
I think it'll be good enough for maybe 3 people. I don't know. It shrinks once you cook it. We could have used this one, but we wanted to do it old school and try it with this. Yeah, we're old school. So I already chopped the rest of the vegetables. And then ya le quité la cáscara al aguacate. So what I'm gonna do is just add some salt and just smashing it with the fork. So I'm gonna add 1/3 of the avocado because this looks like a little bit, pero ni estaban listos todavía. So I'm gonna see how this one turns out. It's kind of hard. I got them at Walmart. They're like hard as a rock. Okay, so once you see it's already steaming and boiling, it's because it's ready. Okay, so I think we're ready to put everything together and have a bite out of this. Okay, and then they're super long, so it's okay if you want to cut them. And then once I have the zucchini in the plate, I'm gonna start by getting some guacamole, and I'm just gonna mix it around so it could add some flavor to it. I would add the corn, however much you want, your preference, and then I would add the tomatoes, onions, cilantro. Ooh, I went crazy. And then the shrimp. A couple. I'm gonna add a little bit more tomatoes on top to look pretty. And a little bit of cilantro. Ooh, I forgot to add the chile serranos, which I'm gonna add right now. Just to make it pretty. So I'm gonna add chile because I like spicy stuff. This is how it should look. Now I just need someone to try it. Do you want to try it, Matt?
Yeah.
Okay, so my helper is back just to try it. Yeah? Are you excited? Are you nervous?
No.
You're not nervous? Okay, I'm gonna give you.
I want corn and shrimp.
Yeah.
There you go. There you go.
There.
Okay, are you ready? Is it good? Yeah? What would you rate it? What number do you give it?
10.
10? Okay, Matt, do you want to try it?
Yeah, give me a bite.
Okay, you ready? What would you rate it?
Want me one?
No, like, to be honest though. What would you rate it?
It's good. I would give it a 10.
And how about you?
Well, I haven't tried it yet. Should I try it?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait.
Leather?
Can I have another bite?
To be honest, it's really good, huh?
I want another bite.
Okay, I'm gonna give you another bite. Chill.
I'm be poking it in.
¿Vas a sacar foto y así de greñuda?
Ay, usted no me lo va a probar.
Esto se me quedó con las dietas sabrosas.
No, 10.
¿Qué te diré? ¿Qué quieres oír?
El aguacate se le da.
¿Cómo?
El aguacate.
¿Te tengo que decir ya?
Sí.
Te doy un 9 y te daría un 10 con, si tuviera la galleta.
Okay, I actually forgot to add some limon to the dish. It tastes a bit better. But I would have it. Yeah, I usually do put limon. Oh my eyelash came off.
No, that's spicy.
Oh yeah, never mind. Eat it, eat it. You could add chicken to it too, if you don't want to add shrimp, or even some steak if you like,
Or corn.
or corn, which was already there, babe. The zucchini noodles are a bit like long. You could chop them so you don't have to like struggle with them. So yeah, guys, I mean, I hope my family members, my husband and my son and my mom didn't lie to me. They rated a 10. My brother rated a 12, but he didn't want to be recorded.
But I picked 1,000.
Oh yeah, he picked 1,000. Huh? He's so cute. But he didn't want to be in camera, my brother, but whatever. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of us eating. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, give it a thumbs up.
Just try. And I have some milk
You have milk for what?
for that spicy. This is the try button.
No, not say thumbs up, not down, Bruno. Anyways, okay, see you guys next week, which I'm gonna try to post. And if you guys do attempt to make this recipe, please tag me and let me know what you guys thought about it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys until next week, and go follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Say bye.
No.